Welcome back to Wiki, where we show you how to make money in and out of games. Today, we're diving into the virtual world of BitLife, the popular life simulation game, to uncover the secrets of successful investing. Whether it's in stocks, real estate, or businesses, I'll guide you through the steps to maximize your wealth in BitLife. So, if you're ready to make your in-game fortune, keep watching. 1. Introduction to investing in BitLife. BitLife is a game where you control every aspect of a character's life. As you live out different lives, you'll need to make choices about education, careers, relationships, and even how to manage your money. Just like in real life, investing is key if you want to accumulate wealth over time in BitLife. So, let's start by understanding the main areas of investment in the game: stocks, real estate, and businesses. 2. How to invest in stocks. First up, let's talk about stocks. The stock market in BitLife works similarly to real-life investing. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make smart investments in stocks. Step 1. When you're old enough, head to the Assets tab and then to Stock Market. You'll see a list of companies with their respective stock prices. Aim to buy stocks and companies with low prices that show growth potential. Step 2. Once you invest in a stock, you'll want to hold onto it for a while, as stocks in BitLife tend to rise and fall over the years. It's often best to keep stocks for at least 5 years, allowing time for market fluctuations to hopefully bring higher returns. Step 3. Remember, it's wise to diversify. Don't put all your money into one stock. Instead, spread your investments across different companies. This way, if one company's stock dips, you'll have others that might be rising. Pro tip: keep an eye on companies that have consistent growth. Also, be patient, check back on your stocks periodically to make adjustments if necessary. It's all about holding for the long term if you want to see the best returns. 3. Real estate investment in BitLife. Next, let's discuss real estate investing. This can be one of the best ways to build wealth in BitLife, especially if you start early. Step 1. When you've saved enough money, check the Real Estate tab under Assets. You'll find options ranging from modest homes to luxury properties. For beginners, buying a house that's within your budget is a good starting point. Step 2. Houses in BitLife usually appreciate over time. Hold onto them for a few years, and then sell when the market is high. You'll see your initial investment pay off in the form of a much higher selling price. Step 3. Try to avoid houses with issues like major damage or bad neighborhoods, as these can take longer to sell or may not appreciate as much. Aim for properties in good areas, as they tend to increase in value faster. Pro tip: if you can afford multiple properties, consider renting some of them out for a steady income stream. However, bear in mind that upkeep costs will also apply, so be prepared for any additional expenses. 4. Investing in businesses. Finally, we have businesses. Owning a business can be extremely profitable in BitLife, but it also comes with higher risk. Step 1. When you have significant capital, check the business's option. You may need to take out a loan if you're short on funds, but be careful with this, as the debt will affect your finances. Step 2. Choose a business with strong growth potential. Try starting with a lower-cost business and reinvesting the profits you earn. Over time, you can buy more profitable companies, increasing your wealth. Step 3. Make smart decisions to grow your business. This may involve upgrading equipment, hiring better staff, or expanding locations. The better your business is managed, the higher your profits will be. Pro tip: look for businesses that have low initial investment but high demand, like service-based businesses. These often yield more reliable income over time. 5. General money management tips. Investing is just one piece of the puzzle. To truly succeed in BitLife, you'll need solid money management. Here are some tips to keep your finances on track. Save and reinvest. Every time you make money from an investment, try to save a portion for reinvesting. It's tempting to spend on luxuries, but reinvesting your profits will make you wealthier in the long run. Avoid unnecessary loans. Loans can be helpful but come with interest. Only take loans if it's crucial for your business or property investment. Avoid going into debt for minor expenses. Monitor your wealth. Check your net worth regularly to track how well your investments are performing. This gives you a sense of whether it's time to sell certain assets or reinvest in new ones. 6. Recap and final thoughts. To wrap up, here's a quick recap on how to build wealth in BitLife through smart investments. Stocks. Invest in diverse stocks, hold for a few years, and sell when the market is high. Real estate. Buy properties, hold them, and sell at a profit. Renting can be a great income source, too. Businesses. Start small, reinvest profits, and focus on growth to maximize income. Money management. Reinvest your profits, avoid unnecessary loans, and track your net worth. With these strategies, you're on the path to becoming a virtual millionaire in BitLife. Remember, patience is key in investing, both in the game and real life. Keep experimenting with different investment approaches to see what works best for you. Thanks for watching Wiki. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tips on making money in games and beyond. And if you have any BitLife questions or want more guides, drop them in the comments below. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.